Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn if we can just add more than 5 languages to our Tinder account or not. So basically we are going to learn, are we able to add more than 4 languages to our Tinder account? So for that you have to just open up your Tinder account and click on a person like option on the right hand side bottom. Click on it and you will appear over this page. You have to click on your profile up and like option over here. Once you just over here, just scroll all the way down until you see add languages. You have to just click on it and you can see over here that it has been written select up to 5 languages you know and add them to your profile, which means you can add only 5 languages. It has been written over here that 0 to 5. Once you have just selected one, it has been written 1 of 5. You can just add a 5 language over here that you know and just add it to your account over here. Once you are done with 5, you have to just click on a tick like option over here on the right hand side top. And that's all. You have been updated for your language on your Tinder app. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.